In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a watermark to a photo using Canva, whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out. Adding a watermark is an important step to protect your creative work. Plus, it gives your images a professional touch. Let's get started. First, open Canva and head over to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the text option. Click on it to access all the different text tools Canva provides. This is where we'll start creating our watermark. Once you click on the text option, you'll see a button that says Add a Text Box. Go ahead and click that to create a new text layer on your design. This gives us a blank space to type in our watermark text. Now that the text box is on your design, type in whatever you want your watermark to be. It could be your name, your brand, or even a simple copyright symbol. Make sure it reflects your identity or brand so that your work stays protected. After typing, you can adjust the size of the text box by clicking and dragging its corners. This makes it easy to position your watermark exactly where you want it without it taking over the image. The next step is crucial, setting the right transparency for your watermark. Look for the transparency icon on the toolbar above your design area. It usually looks like a checkerboard or two overlapping squares. Clicking this will bring up a slider where you can control how see-through your watermark is. Your goal is to make it visible enough to protect your work, but subtle enough that it doesn't distract from the photo itself. A good rule of thumb is to lower the transparency until the watermark is noticeable but still soft. Each photo might need a slightly different setting depending on its colors and lighting, so don't be afraid to experiment until it looks just right. Once you've adjusted the transparency, take a step back and look at your image. Is your watermark in the right spot? Is it clear but not overpowering? Canva makes it really easy to move, resize, and tweak your text at any time so you can keep adjusting until it feels perfect. And just like that, your watermark is now a part of your photo design. This simple step not only protects your work, but also gives it a polished, professional appearance. You can apply this method to all of your images, making sure your creative efforts are recognized and safe from unauthorized use. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on how to create and add a watermark in Canva. With just a few steps, you can protect your digital creations while keeping your designs looking clean and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you in the next video.